Hey everybody, here we are at the comment picker because I owe all of you a winner. I had a giveaway that was hidden in my TJ Maxx unboxing video recently, and it did close on the 30th. You guys, I did let it go until tonight, Sunday, because I don't know what's going on with YouTube, y'all, but a whole bunch of comments from the last 2 weeks suddenly got released into my studio, and I was trying to catch up on stuff for literally probably 100 comments over the last 2 weeks. So I didn't want to, miss anybody, but it's looking pretty good now. So let's find out who our winner is going to be. The word you needed to use was ocean. So let's see how many entered. All right, there were 33 entries. So let's find out who our winner is. Good luck, everybody. Vanilla Lover says, I love TJ Maxx's anywhere. You're right. Each store has its own treasures. There's one opening near me soon. A mini vacay. My friend lives in California and is close to the ocean. I miss walks along the beach. I like your choice of wallet and enjoy your day. All right, let me go make sure that she's publicly subscribed. So hang tight, everybody. All right, here we are at her channel. There I am over on the right. So congratulations to Vanilla Lover. You've got 48 hours. Please do contact me via my email on my channel. If you go to my channel and you click on this About tab, you will find that you can click right down here to view my email address. Or if you go to any of my videos, it's always down below in the description. So congratulations and have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye all.